Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times.
I want to start this vlog by showing you how cute are these in the Christmas tree. Look at this. I told you about them when we were in John Lewis, I think, if you've seen the vlog. And they are super cute, and I'm so excited that I'm having them in the Christmas tree. Actually, I think it's the first year when I'm putting it in the Christmas tree. Yeah, so I'm super happy with the Christmas tree this year, and it's everything on gold and red as always, I think, because every time I have these colors in my tree. And then I have this white, which I think looks super cute with these colors as well. And I was telling you yesterday when we were decorating, before actually we decorated the Christmas tree, about these polyester, I think, decorations. I really love them for the fact that they have a story. I mean, in here they are two snowmen doing something, magic or whatever. And as well this one with this reindeer on it. How cute it is. Here it comes, my favorite, which is in the top of the tree. And I think this will be forever and ever in my Christmas tree, every single year. I mean, it's one of my favorite decorations. Hello everyone, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 8. So in today's video we're not gonna do anything related to Christmas. Actually, it's something related with Saint Nicholas. Yeah. Anyway, it's about shoes and how can you get a new pair of shoes. I'm super excited because this is my first time using this, and I'm gonna tell you in a second what we are talking about. Okay, so I have this boost marker, yeah, from its name Produce Nano Bio Green. So this is the marker, and this one I'm gonna check actually the description of the item so I can tell you what's this for. So yeah, it's a boost marker in shade white, and it comes with this cello tape as well, and this is a paper cello tape. So let me check if I can show you how it looks like. And this is actually for painting the boost from your shoes. This is not actually a boost, but it should work on these ones as well. So it has a discrepancy of colors in this area and on the sole as well. So I want to do this as white as I can. So this is what I'm gonna do with you today. I've never used this marker before, and I heard it's really good. The price is I actually have it from Romania, and the price is 59 lei, which in pounds means 15 pounds, something like this, 10 pounds. Anyway, so let's check for how to use it. So we need to clean these shoes before applying, and then we need to shake the marker every time we're using it, and we need to keep it like this and press a few times, then turn back the marker and press till the color is coming out. So we're gonna check this in a minute. I am so excited to do this because I've never done it, and if it's not gonna work, I'm gonna ruin my shoes. I have in here this pair of Superstars, which are not that bad, but they still don't look white on the sole, and also this side. And then I have some baking paper, and then I have this Bio Green marker, which we're gonna use for these shoes. I'm doing this close up because this is the best light, so you can see the difference. This is white, this is off-white, a little bit yellow. So yeah, this is what I'm trying to do to cover this difference, and it's the same everywhere actually. Look. Yeah, so I want to see if I can do it white, like everything to be white. I think I forgot to tell you what this for, but I'm gonna start doing it right now. I'm gonna explain you in a second. So this one is to stick it on the shoe, so you make sure you have no color on the material, on the leather. So I'm gonna start doing this right now to make sure we're not gonna have stains of paint on this. So this is it, and now we're sure that we're not gonna have paint on the leather. The only thing I didn't know about is you need to press a lot, so you need to wait a lot till the color is coming out. But overall now we have it, so we're ready to start with the stickers. Before starting this, we need to make sure that we have sellotape everywhere, because otherwise, look what I've done already.
I'm waiting for him, but he's nowhere inside, and all of the presents are still by the tree. They don't mean a thing till he's here with me. If you know where he is, please give him a ride, and I will wait here by the candlelight, 'cause his love is all I need, and my love I can guarantee. So please Santa, bring back my love tonight.
Okay, so now I want to show you the difference between the one that is done and the one is not done. So here we have the one that I already done, and this is the one that I need to do at this moment. As you can see, the area is whiter than it was, but I think it needs another layer, at least in here. But you can see already the difference.
But it's not the same, Santa. I'm smiling but feeling empty inside, 'cause all of the presents are still by the tree. They don't mean a thing till he's here with me. If you know where he is, please give him a ride, and I will wait here by the candle.
So here is my new pair of superstars, and I'm super happy with the results. It looks white and it's not fake. I mean, it doesn't look like paint on it, which I'm super excited about it. And this is how this boost marker works. Look how it looks after the first try. I'm pretty impressed with it, and I super recommend it because it's amazing. It's normally made for boosts, but I can use it on this one as well because it's not a plain material, so it works. It doesn't work on plain materials, plain sole or something. I super recommend this one. I'm super happy with it. For this one I just need to buy a new pair of laces because it doesn't look great as well, and they are new. They have other stuffs for shoes as well, like bio-green leather sneakers where you can clean your sneakers with, and brushes for maybe suede or normal leather, and they have a set also with a lot of stuff for shoes, and yeah, also bio-green sneaker laundry. So if you want to wash the shoes, you can use the bio-green sneaker laundry, I think. And yeah, and there is a solution for cleaning the boost as well. So this was it for today, and this is actually the review for this item, which I'm super happy with it. And if you want to buy it, I'm gonna link it below so you can know where is it. And I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye!